Okay guys, so I am using a denim strip and I already cut it to 13 inches by 2 inches wide because of the size of my clasps. The size of my clasps around here is about half an inch, so that when I fold it the way I want to fold it, it's going to end up being the size of this clasp. So the size of your clasps around here depends on how wide you are going to cut it, so that when you fold it 4 times it ends up being this size. And 13 inches because this is the length that I desire. If it's short I will make it longer, so the length depends on you. So guys, this is the final result of my keychain. As you can see, my top stitching is far from perfect, but that's okay for my first time. By the way, I did this by 1 a.m. so I was not in my right mind. This is what the back is looking like. As you can see, this is where we joined the ends of the denim of my strip. And yeah, my top stitching game is still far from perfect, but this, ladies and gentlemen, is the final result. Let me know what you think, guys. What do you think about this?